It's time to be aware what is the original and what is the fake. It is very to get German silver plates and German silver items within 100 rupees, 150 rupees. But what if that will be changed in black color within a few months or within a few days? Your total money will be the waste. So now be aware. If you want a pure German silver quality guaranteed product, then just visit Balaji Trade Link once. Buy from anywhere, but just come here just for checking what is the original thing and what is the duplicate thing, because no one is master in the quality checking. So please come here. I will give you the proofs what is the pure German silver and what is the duplicate. So here we have the huge range of German silver product within a very cheap price, because we have own manufacturing. So there is no reseller, no mediator, from just factory to you, direct factory to customer. This is a German silver plate with pure embossing from outside and inside. Now if you want a little bit flat, then yes, we have the little bit flat with a pure floral design. So this is a flat plate, only flat. There is no embossing, just because of customers requirement, because they want a flat design with a pure German silver quality. Now if you want a square plate, don't worry, we have a square plate. If you want a tray, like a serving tray, yes, you hear it right, it's available within very best quality and with a sweet price. This is the beautiful peacock design tray. You can feel each feather of this peacock. It's a fully German silver. You can touch and feel the detailing of each feather. The small sumb kalasham with a pure German silver quality. It's a totally full deep and best in price and best in quality. It's a flat designed German silver tray with both side handle and pure finishing same like a silver. This is the fully oval tray with the proper rose design with both side handle and pure quality. It's a very long lasting. It's a 12 inches tray, and still if you want 14 inches tray for your decoration on wedding and any purpose, it's a 12 inches, it's a 14 inches with the different designs, different qualities we have. Yes, it's a leaf design German silver tray with 3 legs. The small legs are available, so it will give you the better feel and better decoration moment. This is also a German silver tray with handle with both side floral design and leaf design. You will get the best quality for your return gifts purpose. Sorry guys, it's not easy to cover all the German silver item within a single video. So please visit us to experience and feel the all qualities, all product of German silver item. If you are looking for best quality German silver product for your return gifts item, then just come here, because we have a huge range in German silver quality. If you don't believe us, then just come once and visit us. Get the all single details upon the single piece, single model, what we have, what is the German silver, what is the German silver history and how it's made. So thank you for watching this video, and come us, visit us, so you will get the best product German silver for your all auspicious occasions. Thank you so much.